All right, so let's now do actually imperial and metric conversions. We have one equation here that says that 1 inch, we're really lucky that it's a 1, is equal to 2.54 centimeters, which means that we have more centimeters than inches. As a matter of fact, we're going to have 2.54 times as many centimeters as inches. And if I'm going for inches, I'm going to have 2.54 times less centimeters than inches we're going to divide. So let's do our first conversion. So what if we have 3 inches? How much is that? How much is that in centimeters? So going from inches to centimeters, I'm going to have more centimeters. So I'm going to do equals 3 times 2.54. And let's try this. 3 times 2.54 is equal to 7.62. 7.62 centimeters. 762 centimeters more is the same as 3 inches less smaller number. That makes sense. Let's try B. So this is 20.32 centimeters. And I need to bring it into inches. Okay, I got more centimeters, less inches, though 2.54 times less. So I'm going to divide that. I'm going to say 20.32 divided by 2.54. 20.32 divided by 2.54 gives us exactly 8. And 8 inches. So 8 inches is the same as 20.32 centimeters. And so far the numbers have worked out kind of nicely. Let's try this. 50 centimeters. So from centimeters going to inches, again, I'm going from big to small. So I'm going to divide. So I'm going to say 50 divided by 2.54, and 50 divided by 2.54 is equal to, okay, I have a large number of decimals. I'm going to round it to just one decimal. So it's 19.6. The next number is an 8. So round that to a 7. 19.7. 19.7 inches. So lower number, 19.7. Bigger number, centimeters. So that makes sense. And on the last one, 8.2 inches. Okay, from inches to centimeters, I'm going from small to big. I will multiply 8.2 times 2.54. So here we go. I get a reflection. 8.2 times 2.54 equals 20.828. Okay, so the 8 is followed by a 2, so I can keep that as an 8. 20.8 centimeters. That is the same as 8.2